We've just gotten our room, and this is our view. This whole balcony is ours, and this is our view. They closed the curtains, of course, but this is our view from the room. Beautiful. This is so pretty. Whew. We have a kitchen and a fridge and a bathroom. This is beautiful. Beautiful. Whew. It is warm here. Hey, it's our first event that was planned for us. Sightseeing and tours. We are going to tour St. Thomas. Are you excited? That's our driver.
Driver dude.
I'm sweating. But you know, it's okay.
We walked all the way down that hill.
Yeah, by choice. We had a ride, but
She wanted exercise.
Well, it's a pleasure, guys, to have you here with us today. My name is Godfrey, and I'll be the one
They on the wrong side of the street.
they drive on the left.
You know, we go to the right.
Something's wrong with me. I know. Oh, wrong way. Look. I definitely was open the wrong way.
Definitely ready, but you messed the video up.
I know.
Definitely messed the video up.
It'd be like that. I'll just turn it around. I know. I hope my lace don't come up. Look at my lashes. Look at my lashes moving in the wind. You see him? A little bit.
Yeah, see him. Literally.
Housing projects. Two high-rise housing projects. If you take a look at the homes to the left, Rich, you'll notice that these homes here, they look alike, they're built alike. Well, these homes here was first built by the government. But after these folks stay in those houses for a number of years, the government decided to sell it to them at a very low price. When it first started, it was $30,000 at the time. And this is one of our locations. Our federal courthouses. It was named after the former delegate to Congress, Randy Lugo. Second building to the right was named after the former governor, Alexander A. Farley Justice Center. That's where we have our local court, our marshal offices, the headquarters of the police department. And our jail is located to the top level of that building. It holds 125 inmates.
It's hot, y'all. It's hot in the mud. Hey, what that is, boy? Some cut. Where the food at? I'm looking for the food. I ain't going down there. It's alley.
I'm sorry.
I ain't going. It's an alley. We're gonna go down the alley.
Cigar and hookah.
Listen, it's an alley. Got me in this alley. We don't play with no alleys around here. This ain't the the alleys we run through. It's a video. Got it. How you feeling right now?
From here, we're going to make a left turn into 35, okay? Once you hit, we'll make a left turn into 35.
How you feeling?
Great.
Day one. A few more to go. Magnificent tour.
Yeah. Very knowledgeable.
Very, very, very knowledgeable. Learning a lot more.
In your mom child. Don't eat it. Virgin Islands.
I would like to know what was the circumstances behind that.
Oh my God, bye.
Not in a bad way. I just want to know. But yeah, Rockefeller what?
In front of us right here is the Fairchild's Castle, which is
You gonna take a picture of it?
Yeah, we can.
Atlantic, which you see here. And there is lots of iguanas in the trees to your left also.
Where they at?
Lots of iguanas.
Oh, I see him. Look.
I can't see him. I'm looking. I'm looking.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, right, I see him. He dark. It is one right. All right, I see two.
Lots of iguanas here.
This is awesome. Woo!
I was looking for
You got lots of practice.
This is the highest point in St. Thomas, Virgin Islands. You can see all the islands right here.
Old submarine base before, but right now we are using it for our cruise ship. In front of the pier, you'll notice a lot of containers right here. Everything that is imported from the United States coming to this location right here. We send the different trucks, pick them up, distribute them between the different businesses between St. Thomas and St. John Island.